day one of the first ever Belize Open Week, organized by the Organization of American States and the Trust of the Americas, in partnership with the government of Belize and civil society organizations, was held today at the ITVET compound in Belize City. It provides one-on-one sessions with public and civil society stakeholders on what the concept of open government is all about, and for them to participate in the co-creation of the processes. Local coordinator Henry Wade says it is about starting the groundwork and planting the seeds for open government and open data in Belize.
There's several activities built into the project. As you mentioned, we had training sessions for government partners and participants, followed by training for CSOs on open government and open data, and now we're following up with the first ever Belize Open Week. This is the first, and it's in collaboration with Developing the Caribbean, DEVCA. So it's quite an important event for the country. We're having training workshops done by international experts who've come from all over the world, the Caribbean, Central and South America, to be here to share their knowledge, skills, and expertise.
The fourth-day forum will look at how data on Belizeans available in a unique format, whether obtained from departments like the registry or public hospitals and the like, can impact the quality of services delivered to the citizenry in a transparent and engaging way. OAS specialist on effective management Mike Mora says that the data, however, cannot violate an individual's privacy or threaten the national security of the country.
Open data is a concept that calls for the opening, publishing of digital information that is processed and created by government public institutions. Any public institution in ways of developing and providing the services to citizens creates data. So open data calls for that data to be opened. With certain standards and structures, so it can be actually used as a resource for create value over that data. There's certain principles of open data, and there's certain things that when opening data need to be looked at. The first one that's very important, is actually to make sure that you don't open information that violates the privacy of the citizen, if there is personal information there. So there should be certain considerations made to personal information, the handling of personal information. And so for that, there are policies and standards that need to be followed that are in compliance with international and national law regulating data protection. One thing. And the second thing that is important to say as well is that you don't want to also open that information that might compromise the national security of the country as well.
Open data is not only to have the information available in a digital format, but also for respective organizations and individuals to use and reuse the data to know public transportation information, available medical institutions in an area, among other services. Of the 35 member states of the OAS, most countries have embraced the Open Government Partnership.
After this 9-month, 10-month implementation period, we are opening a call for proposals that aimed to promote different initiatives, disruptive and innovative ideas from civil society. So we will be opening a fund intended to award these up to 10 innovative ideas with up to $5,000 US. The main component should be collaboration, can be in different areas, health, transportation, environment, education. It has to be an initiative implemented by a civil society organization or a university or a media outlet in collaboration with a public institution. So we will be opening these call for proposals in November, and these initiatives should be implemented during the first 6 months of 2019.
Dwayne Moody for News 5.